If you're looking for toddler teaching clocks, this video is for you. My name is Brian, your personal guide. Welcome to our channel. At any time, you can click this circle in the corner and get more info and real-time deals on your favorite products. Number 1. Bestseller by Clever Kidz. Watch this video. Choose your favorite. Number 2. By Learning Resources UK Direct Account. Number 3. By Toys of Wood Oxford. For more info and great toddler teaching clocks, just click this circle. Number 4. By Learning Resources UK Direct Account. Number 5. By Lamaze. For more great related products, full details and online deals, just click the circle.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.